Hello, and welcome to this short video on the KUPO Super Knuckle Vesa Mount Kit. The KUPO Super Knuckle is the foundation of a versatile modular grip system that allows precise positioning of two interchangeable adapters that fit into either side of the knuckle. There are many adapters available for a wide range of applications that are limited only by your imagination. The Super Knuckle consists of a double socket mini arm with a split shell design, with a central locking knob that, when tightened, locks two 26mm ball joints in place. The ball ends are machined with micro ridges to increase friction, so when locked in place, they solidly support 17.6 pounds. They come with a KUPO blue silicone sleeve that holds the unit together even when the central knob is loose. The Vesa mount kit features a baby 5/8" receiver on one end, and a Vesa mounting plate adapter attached to the ball joint on the other side of the knuckle. The Vesa mount attaches to the industry standard hole configuration that you will find on the back of monitors. The Super Knuckle Vesa mount plate features both a 3" 75mm and 4" 100mm hole configurations. It comes with 4 M4 screws to mount the plate to the back of the monitor. Let's pop this bad boy onto a C-stand using our Super Knuckle Vesa mount kit. First, we'll bag our C-stand for safety. Next, we'll line up the Vesa plate with the corresponding holes on the back of the monitor that are spaced 4 inches or 100mm apart. Next, we'll use our 2.5mm hex key to tighten the M4 screws until snug. Next, we'll mount the baby receiver from the Super Knuckle onto the baby pin of our C-stand and secure it in place with a knob. Lastly, we'll loosen the central knob counterclockwise. Position our monitor to our desired angle and tighten the knuckle's knob to lock it in place. The simple design of the Super Knuckle allows you to easily change from horizontal to a vertical configuration. Now you're cut down on the amount of grip you have to carry. Just a few Super Knuckles and a handful of adapters will have you tackling virtually any grip challenge up to 17.6 pounds. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at KUPO we like to say, never let go.